Are you guys getting ready for this amazing adventure today? Yeah, I like it, Judith. Don't run away, Lisa. Okay. All right, take one. Part of the reason coming to a hostel is so you can meet lots of cool people.
You spend all night in the city?
These are the cool people I'm traveling with.
Lying there and not coming out.
Yeah, this morning I was like, this.
All right, I came alone and now I have like 8 friends.
I'm bloody cold.
Hi, I'm Judith.
Where are you from?
England.
Oh.
Austin, Canada.
Nikita from Australia.
I'm Tim from the world.
Hi, I'm Ariane from Toronto.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Berlin, Germany.
Johnny from Canada.
So yesterday, Steven and I were looking for a specific food on the streets of Seoul. We ran into a nice couple. We decided to ask them for directions. This guy and his girlfriend were the ones we ran into. So now Casper from the Netherlands is hanging out with us today. He's going to show us Korea.
Yes. It's awesome.
So many costumes. That's a good selfie. I'm an ox in Korea too, and in China, and just in general, I'm strong. Arr. This is how you know it's gonna be good. We're in like some small alley, nothing in the back there, but there's people waiting in line. It's gonna be delicious. Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay, we're now in a Korean restaurant and Tim is gonna pour Austin some water, but he has to use 2 hands to pour. And Austin can never pour for himself because otherwise he'll be insulting Tim. So this is how it went. This is how it goes.
She's showing off. I know how to say it too. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I said it right. That's why she smiled. We're heading out for round 2. The group is a little bit smaller now.
We're at the top of the Namsam Hill. This beautiful view of Seoul behind me.
Hey guys! How are you enjoying the top of the hill? So this is what the Coex Mall looks like when it's closed, so don't come too late or it looks like this. So I'll have to come back tomorrow.
Oppan Gangnam Style.